Little Tweety bird. It's got a little problem. It was given to me like this in pieces. You can see it's got some rust on it. The batteries are rusted, but they still read 1.4 volts. Got a little circuit board there with a photoresistor, or photoresistor. So it, I don't know, changes something with light or something. It's supposed to tweet or something. I don't know, but this is the way it was given to me, and I'm gonna see if I can clean it all up with some alcohol, and not the drinking kind though, and see if we can put this thing back together and see if it makes any noise. So let me switch to the other camera and take a closer look at this and clean it up a little. Alright, I got everything all cleaned up. Let's see if we can get this thing to work. I'm gonna put this little piece back on there because looks like that's where it goes, because it fits in there. Covers up that photoresistor thing, so there's only a little tiny hole in there and a piece of plastic in the way. Factory didn't clean that out very good. So that's what that looks like. Let's put the batteries in it and see if it makes any noise. Positive on this side, negative on this side. If I can get my hands in there. Oops. Put that battery over the other way. There we go. Little stuff. Oh, there it goes. It makes noise. It's got a little hole right there. Let that goes in. I wonder if it ever shuts up. And then we got this. It sounds like it goes in a loop for a few times and then it's quiet because I got my finger over the hole now, so I can't see the difference. And then this little screw has a triangle end in it. I don't have no screwdriver bits like that, but I got a Torx that just fit in there. And tighten that down on there. This I couldn't get clean because it's just rusted really bad, but this slides in the feet. The feet have a little groove in there that part on top goes in, just like that. So you can clip it on something. This white piece here is for you stick it in the batteries. It goes actually goes, looks like it goes right between the feet let me get this tipped right in the camera. You can see that slot right there, that goes right in there, and I think that separates the batteries if you get it just right. So that's probably the way it comes when you buy it. And then this little thing goes here, so then you can clip it on whatever you want, so it sits on there. But let's pull that out. There you go. I don't know how well you can hear that in the camera. I'll bring it closer. Let me get it in the shot. That is pretty nifty. There you go. Stick that in your house somewhere and bother people when they walk by it, and then it starts making the noise. Oh, I don't have enough light difference there. You gotta have a big light difference between dark and light for it to work. Alright, well, that's the hole for the speaker. That's where the noise comes out of. Alright, that's it. Just a little quick video there. Thought I'd get this back together. Give it back to the person so they can enjoy it. Alright, we'll see you on the next one.